reach. I want my mates now.
What going, Trisha?
It's Tricia. You love mash up my name, man?
I will invite you. Don't worry about it, man. Just let me continue when we did that talk about.
Alright then.
You know me really can't take.
Where you can't take?
Me can't really stand watching them shows where all them I talk about is how them fall in love. Like in a 15 minutes they meet somebody and then all of a sudden them in love. Who the hell them I fall in love with so quick? It's the most craziest thing. All you mean for tell me? You just meet the person. You talk to them for 15 minutes, you act like say you're in love. That is the most craziest thing.
Yo, me no find that crazy, you know. Cause me benefit from that. Me can tell a girl anything they want. And when me tell them anything they want, they can feel something where we're not even there. And the thing is, that I know nothing where me, personally, have a problem with. My girl, even though me just meet you, me love you, you know. You're the only woman in my life. Me feel okay with me there around you. You're me everything. You're me sugar plum. And all me want to do with you is just be with you and get the draws. Me want to do with you until me get the draws. The end of time when me get the draws.
I love you too.
So, me don't care if a girl fall in love with me after 15 minutes as long as that lead to the jaws dropping and me get some pum-pum.
So Stammer, what you think?
Look how long the brother they are,
Stammer, wake up. Stammer.
Yo, Lord the man.
Lick him now.
How much time me tell you to bring them type of argument?
You know you're going like an idiot sometimes.
Yo, me tell you enough time, you know, me not in the man business. A girl alone I do this. So don't come with no man talk to me, you hear me?
Wow.
Besides your foolishness, what go on with you? Anything new?
Besides the fact me for real upon my supervisor the other day. Everything alright, you know. But good. But you know, you really got my brain cleaner, man.
Regine, you know you can't afford to have another infraction at work, you know. Remember what happened the last time?
My supervisor, my blood clot idiot. No wonder me get away with so much things. You sure you want to talk about that right yourself? In the business, hear this. Last week me there mix yard and mix here going like say she want to get the tan in the early morning, yeah. So me just call up that idiot there and say, yo brother, my car broke down so me have to take it with the mechanic. Hear him now, take as much time as you want. I say, alright. Never take the whole day. So me spend the rest of the time on mix yard and get it on.
Is that right?
Box cover, bossy, you there?
My office, no! The next time you do something like this, them probably gonna fire you.
Fire who? Man a Teflon done. Let me tell you why me have to race up my boy there.
Here we go again. Another long piece of story.
Yo, that be nice, man. Jah know that thing about me mad, you know. But here, for the last 3 months, we get 3 inspections. And them 3 inspections there, and we pass them. This blood clot you just reaching up. And then I come talk like say, all of the work we put in, me not have nothing to do with it. Some say, oh, Virgin, oh, me not you have nothing to do with it, and me are the supervisor of the section. This man I try to take all the credit from me, enough to make it look like some me don't know what me I do. Then him have the blood clot nerve to come give man counseling. You just take that Ross and rip it up in front of him and tell him about him blood clot self. Idiot boy! Idiot boy! Yes, you me a blood clot talk to. How much time me tell us don't ramp with me? Eh? How much time me tell you that? The people them hire me for work, them hire me for cater to nobody. Who the hell you think you is? You think me gon' cater to you? Who the blood clot you think you is? You can't tell me what to do. The people them hire me for do a job. Fill me job if you want it. You should apply for it. Although them put in a supervisor position. You're a blood clot idiot.
Could you say that one more time, but this time in English?
Move on, boy, look at idiot boy.
Wait, you think you didn't understand you?
Me never dey really care, you know. Because, to tell you the truth, me just the one get it off of my chest. Because look at idiot still a poke him nose in my business.
You know, something similar like that happened to me at work, you know. One of the supervisor them when they try to come on.
My girl, that's not the same thing.
Drags, at some point, you have to go deal with this, you know.
Hello, una hear me I say?
Red man, me know. But at this point, all me gonna do is just go and chill, do my job, and just take it easy.
Me say something just like that happened to me at work, you know.
Drags, you hear something?
Sure, what the Ross them come invite me over here so fine. They just stay at me yard, you know, cause they not even see me. They not even hear me, not even know if them damn smell me.
Yes, we hear you, but I know the same thing.
A sympathy she look. That's why we not fought pan her.
Damn stammer, you see? Next time you invite me anywhere, me not go, you know.
Nobody never tell you if you come over here. You should have just stand at your yard.
Forget she, man. Make we continue what we are talking about.
Yeah, man, for real. So what you say?
Me no want no more altercation with them. Because me no want my reputation get spoiled by the fool there. Because me have a whole heap of years at the company. And me make good money. So me not gonna make the idiot they just mash up everything.
A good plan that, you know. But you know what? I could go inside. Cause too much mosquito bite me up.
You know long me they want to say something?
Stammer, wake up, we are going inside.
Boy, me tell you no, me did really need a sleep there. Hold on there. I'll invite you. No, but me, I'll tell us how we did there.
That me did that wonder too. I wonder who tell us how we did out here.
Definitely, you know me.
Well, she there, know. Hopefully she don't have to all with food. Because the last time she did come over here.
Yo, Stammer, hold on there, Stammer.
Go on a date with Cindy Harper, the most famous celebrity from Yaadyville. Come down to the Performing Arts Center tomorrow to see if you have what it takes. She's looking for a bachelor that she could go out on a date with and have a great time. Again, come down to the Performing Arts Center tomorrow to see if you have what it takes. Now back to the music.
Drugs, me know you're thinking, but don't do it.
Yo, nobody can tell me what me can and cannot do, you know. Furthermore, this is my chance.
You should have get over it long time. Me can't believe you're still upon that.
We never happened to you, you know, so you can say where you want.
Okay, what happened? What you talking about?
Dirty girl Cindy Harper.
Who name, sir?
I'll invite you in a FiWEH conversation.
Stammer, what not talking about?
Tapping nice drugs. Who name Cindy Harper?
we used to go school with her. And she and drug fall out and it come in like saying can't get over it.
Drugs, what did really happen?
Well, me did it in high school. Me never did look this good. The girl make people make fun of me through me they look a bit chubby. My teeth them did rotten. And she even tell people about my rank.
Rotten teeth, piss a bit, cry, baby. Move and go like a chicken back, boy. I want a chicken meat and a young chicken back.
Drugs, I pity something that, you know.
Them something that hurt my feelings, you know. But that's not the only thing she do to me, you know.
Seriously? And what she do to your drugs?
Another time we did that one party winter we did in high school. And me asked the girl for a dance. And the girl shamed me.
You want dance? Come out of my face, dirty stinking ranking boy. If I did me would have shame.
But that's not the worst thing she do.
What could have worse than him something?
She are the only one me never get a slam from.
Cindy, me can come at your house and study. And I know me a looking up. You must be bright and feisty. Nobody now come at my house. But Cindy, me say no, tap on me no. Me mama backside, what a piece of rejection. Tapping easy, idiot boy.
True, me never get her back then. They hurt me till this day. So me have to get my chance.
Wait there, you cry?
I know me, I'm a body.
Don't be fat. So what you plan for do?
I go trick her and get her one slam and then dash it in her face.
You know right, you know drugs. You're seriously sick in the head, you know.
Me rather sick in the head with pum-pum than for sick in the head with nothing and dead.
True, you know, something seriously wrong with you, you know, drugs. You see, woman are your weakness, you know, and it same one I go kill you. Stay there.
If I saw, then I saw. Cause if me don't get in that the jaws there, thunder go roll and broke my neck.